Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be trying to go fishing with only using Ozark's Trail baits. So it's going to be me, Creed, and Jesse. Jesse isn't here right now, but what we're going to do is come over here.
Well, yeah, Tommy knows this is very strict restrictions because here are some things I did.
And so, yeah, so this is the brand we're going to be getting, Ozark's Trail. So I think we're going to get this Ozark's Trail buzz bait.
It's only $2.
Yeah, it's only $2. I've used this one before, caught 3 bass on it.
The last video, right?
Yeah, in the last video, the latest video, caught 3 bass on it. And then we might be getting this one. It's only $8. Comes with all of these. See if they have any other colors.
Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be throwing today. I'm gonna get this 1/3 ounce crankbait and Ozark Trail buzz bait.
Alright guys, I might be getting this or one of the top water whopper ploppers. Probably gonna get this. I have high hopes about this one right here. Because, yeah, some of the lakes that we're going at, these top water work really good. Comes with the popper, the rattle lure, 2 crankbaits, and a minnow. Yeah, Ozark Trail, if you don't know what it is, it's basically just like a Walmart brand fishing bait.
It's really good.
And camping bait, like outdoor bait.
It's surprisingly, for only being like a Walmart thing, it's very good quality. It's not like a crap.
They have the little frog packs. These ones are pretty good.
So this is what we ended up getting. Brady got the 5-pack of lures. I got a 3-pack of frogs, a buzz bait, and a square bill crankbait.
So we got everything on the boat, all of our Ozark Trail baits. Gonna get the boat over here. Got a casting deck.
Here, just take your shoes off.
We're on the boat now. We got all of our Ozark Trail stuff in this bag. Alright guys, we have everything on the boat right now. Here are some of the Ozark Trail baits, and then Creed has his Ozark Trail like 4 to 6 foot crankbait. So I'm gonna be using this crankbait first. Then we got Jesse in the back. I'm gonna use this one. This one or this one?
Yeah, that one.
This one? So I'm gonna be using this one. Jesse's gonna be using the rattle trap. And then once it gets a little darker, like sunset, we can start using our top water. Here you go, Jesse. I know this isn't like part of the challenge, but I have this Ozark Trail spinning combo with all of our Ozark Trail baits. I really love this spinning combo, spinning rod. It was like $15, but it's really smooth.
It's good for the price.
Yeah. All right, we're all tied on. Seems like a pretty good crankbait. Honestly, kind of seems like one of the Guggen Squad ones.
Yeah, it does.
See how it swims. Oh, it actually swims pretty good. For $8 for a 5-pack of lures. And Jesse has his rattle trap on right there. And then Creed has his crankbait. Oh my goodness.
That's in me. God, Jesse.
Brayden, you came back and you hooked my lure.
Ow! Oh my God, Jesse.
Me?
Ow! Wow!
Jesus Christ.
God.
Hey, you good?
Yeah.
At least you didn't go in the barb.
It was like, oh.
I had to get it done. I was wondering because that was kind of
I need to go get that towel.
God, Jesse.
What?
You did it again.
I didn't.
I didn't get rid of my fire. I just don't use it. Watch out. I'm putting my phone in.
Oh, I have one. I have one. I have one.
Let's go.
What the heck? First cast here in the boat. What the heck? I mean, Ozark Trail baits. Probably about half pound, maybe more.
No, it's definitely.
What the heck? It was just like not moving anymore. Between a half pound and a pound on this
Good job, bud.
lure set. First cast here. We literally just changed spots on this crankbait. Alright, well, gonna let him go. Thanks for biting. I'll catch you when you're a 5, hopefully. What the heck? First bass of the challenge.
I instantly cast it over it. Oh, it broke. So mad that it broke. What do you mean?
You need changing? Just caught one on this bait. I don't know which one I should use. Which one should I use? The jerkbait or the other crankbait? I'm gonna be using this like weird looking jerkbait.
Very bright. Wait, I think it may be the same color pattern.
Let me raise one. I'm trying to catch it.
Should be pretty noticeable in the water.
So it looks about like jerkbait version of
Pretty good
it.
size.
Jerkbait version of that. This with a bit of red. Oh my god. Oh, I just got hit. I'm not joking. I swear I just got hit. Swirl right next to me.
See how it swims. Swims pretty good. Yeah, this is a shallow
Let's see
minnow.
how it works when you jerk it. Like the twitching action. Okay.
Looks just like a weird banana.
No, it's like jerk.
There's a big banana.
Slow.
I haven't even pulled one diamond.
I haven't even pulled a diamond out of those normal packs. There's always the different braided notion.
Don't
Yeah.
fall into habit.
Yeah,
Battle
those
trap.
packs are good, Creed. There's
Those are
you get a gold no
trap.
matter what.
God, what are you?
Oh, miss it!
No way. No way. Oh, I had something. Oh.
You did?
I swear. I was probably just snagged, but got my hopes up.
I'll go a little slow.
Different lake right now. One last cast with the Ozark Trail rattle trap.
You got it, Creed?
Are we gonna come back on the boat later?
I'm not.
I probably will. So we made it to the other pond, but as we were riding, it got stuck in the tire and broke this other rod. So, gonna need to go get a new one, but luckily I did bring 2 rods. So I'm gonna be switching to this baitcaster one, and I have an Ozark Trail. As you can tell, it says Ozark Trail on it. I have this Ozark Trail buzz bait, and I was gonna throw this green popper on this like green setup, but yeah, so it broke, so we can't really do that. So we're gonna go down to the pond, and I'm probably gonna retie my popper onto this baitcaster rod, and yeah, so I'll get to you after that. Alright guys, got a little popper here from the Ozark Trail 5-pack. I was gonna use this Ozark Trail spinnerbait. I think I'll just leave it right there for now. What? I was gonna use my spinnerbait, but I'm just gonna leave it there. The reason I brought my spinning rod for my popper is because spinning rod's a lot easier to cast lighter baits. Pop's really good though, that's for sure.
I left the video. Oh yeah, Mark. I also got hooked earlier in my arm. Almost past the one. All of us. This one's had the best day.
No way, no way. Oh, on the tree bobber. Oh my goodness.
I heard that. Are we gonna get it out if you do get me?
You see that? You see that?
It just swallowed again.
Stuck in a tree and I was just dangling it there. And the fish came up and ate it. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We tried filming more for that challenge, and what ended up happening is our SD card wasn't fully in the camera, so we didn't get like the clips of us actually catching more fish, because we were out there fishing and we did end up catching several more fish. We're gonna show you what the video looks like right here in this corner. Yeah, so it just keeps flickering. It says like media offline, and it's just it's just not working.
He caught one, I missed one.
Yeah, so we were doing pretty good, but apparently the SD card wasn't fully in, so yeah, sorry about that. We can't show you guys more fishing on that Ozark Trail bait. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's see you on the next one.
Testing, testing.